Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is John and this is your Modern Tech Breakdown. Today I'm looking at yet another seemingly politically motivated split within the open source community. Let's jump into it. So to start us off, I just want to say that I think I'm seeing a pattern here in the open source community that unfortunately mirrors what we see in wider society, and that is splits into camps over politics. I've covered the ongoing Rust push into the Linux kernel and other core utilities in the open source landscape. Many people see that as a very clear, politically motivated move by the Rust community, and they don't like it, regardless of the technical merits of any particular decision. Unfortunately, it does seem possible that we will see a split in Linux distributions over Rust, as some people will want or not want Rust in their Linux distribution. And now I'm seeing a similar story play out with display servers. And if you're not familiar with display servers, you just need to know that they're a key component of the Linux graphical desktop environment. If you're merely a casual user, you may never really have to interact with it. It's a core behind the scenes component. And it seems that there is now going to be a fork of the X Windows system, also called X11. The new project will be called XLibre, and it claims to be a fully independent project outside of big tech or political activism. Now, why is this happening? X has been around since the 80s, and it does have a competitor called Wayland that has been around since 2008. And it seems that the GNOME project and Ubuntu Linux distribution have announced that they will be moving away from X and will be using Wayland going forward. And while there's been some discussion about the technical merits for making this move, and perhaps those technical arguments make complete sense, but I couldn't help but notice this message at the end of the GNOME announcement about this move. Happy Pride Month and Free Palestine. I'm not sure why those statements need to be included in a discussion about display server technology, but there it is. And however you feel about those topics, I think everyone will agree those are divisive topics that really stir up a hornet's nest of political disagreement. Personally, I don't think such overt, divisive political statements make sense to be in a post about open source display servers, but that's just me. But I'm more concerned about the pattern here of projects splitting into warring camps. This is not good for open source software. It's not good for users, and I don't think it even helps the causes that are backed by these camps. This seems like simple human tribalism to me, and it's really unfortunate. I'm concerned about the long-term health of open source software, and I know there have always been flame wars over technical details and projects, etc. There's even a never-ending debate about text editors. I get that, but this seems like a deeper divide across the community, and it's worrisome to me. I don't know where this is going to play out, but I don't think it's really good for the open source community overall. But that's just my take. What do you think about it? Leave a comment down below. As always, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will catch you next time.